Hello there friends, in this video we will learn about Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, which comes under Total Quality Management, so let's get started. Now each one can define TPM in a different way. According to me, total means, consisting from manpower, till finished product. Productive means, products which are produced are with zero defects, and zero breakdown. And maintenance means, it contains maintaining the processes, and manufacturing plants, and systems. TPM is followed, for achieving various purposes. Some of the main purposes are as follows. Maintenance of plants, and equipment. Increase production volumes. To build an environment, which will change employees' morale. Job satisfaction, for employees. Avoid wastage. Produce goods, without loss of quality. Reduce costs. Supply defect-free products, to the customers. TPM can be achieved, through 8 following pillars, those are. 5s. Autonomous maintenance. Kaizen. Planned maintenance. Quality maintenance. Training. Office TPM. Safety, health and environment. First pillar is, 5S concept. 5S concept video link, is in the description. It is the foundation of TPM. It is used for systematic process, of housekeeping, to achieve a healthy work environment. Good housekeeping, not only provides a good work environment, but also explore the covered problems. If not done on a regular basis, it will lead to delays, defects, dissatisfied customers, declining profits, and demoralized employees. Second pillar is, autonomous maintenance. It includes maintenance jobs, of manufacturing systems. Maintenance jobs includes cleaning, lubricating, removing chips and scraps, tightening of loose joints, and visual inspection of parts produced. This can be done by the employees itself. No need of specialized maintenance staff. Third pillar is, Kaizen. Kaizen concept video link, is in the description. Small improvements carried out, on a regular basis, including everything. Periodic innovations, lead to big improvements. Fourth pillar is, planned maintenance. Maintenance which is carried out systematically, in a planned ways, is called as planned maintenance. Prevention is better than cure. Necessary utilities, are arranged, and maintenance of systems are done. This can avoid breakdown, and will generally be cheaper. Fifth pillar is, quality maintenance. Aims at providing defect-free products, to the customers. When planned maintenance is done on a regular basis, the average output quality of the products, improves. Quality maintenance means, check on the parts produced, so that defectives are eliminated, during the process itself. Sixth pillar is, training. This pillar aims at providing multi-skills, experience, and training to the staff, who believe in themselves. Proper training to the staff, will do the job. Seventh pillar is, office TPM. It aims at improvement of productivity, efficiency in administrative functions, and identification and elimination of losses. This can be done, only when pillars, 2, 3, 4, and 5, are in place. It includes analyzing losses, identifying factors, that cause losses, communication channel breakdowns, inadequate planning and guidance, etc. After identifying the causes, necessary actions, should be taken. Eighth pillar is, safety, health, and environment. To create a safe working area, for the staff, by avoiding health damages, fire hazards, and explosions, etc. Precautions are taken, to avoid harm, caused to the environment. That's it guys from this video. If you want more such educational videos, then get subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.